Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, the way I communicated the other time that I will be dropping to you the following episode. Today I want to talk about introduction to plagiarism, what is called plagiarism, because this thing is becoming serious nowadays where many people are suffering because they don't know how to handle information from various sources they are getting it from. So I have presented my work in form of slides that I will be following you through. So I request for you attention. If you have not tapped on the like button, you tap on it, then you also subscribe. And toward the end of this session, learn to share it with your friends so that you stay tuned for the programs that I will be dropping to you, my lovely viewers. So let's go straight to how I will be lining you with the program. I will start with definition of plagiarism so that you know what is plagiarism exactly, then types of plagiarisms, then how we can avoid plagiarism, and then we conclude. So my lovely viewers, I'm very happy to let you go through this kind of stuff. Or the what we so-called plagiarism is any work performed in any medium and in any scholarly discipline involves in intentional or negligent use by paraphrase or direct quotation of public or unpublished work of another person without full or clear acknowledgement in all such scholarly work as essays, examinations, and others. So, dear viewers, that is what we call plagiarism in simple terms. So, we have various type of plagiarism also that I can have to let you people know about it exactly what it means. So, we have direct plagiarism. This one is word for word transcription of a section of someone else's work without attribution and without quotation marks. Mm. This way you copy everything and you try to hide other part of it. The second one we have self-plagiarism. When a student submits his or her work on previous work or mixes parts of previous works without permission from all professors involved. This where you get information from somewhere and you fail to notify or get clarity from someone, you hiddenly use it. Right, that one is called self-plagiarism. Then we also have mosaic plagiarism, like when a student borrows phrases from a source without using quotation marks or finds synonyms for the author's language while keeping to the same general structure and meaning of the original. Yeah, mosaic program when you borrow phrases from a source without using quotation mark or find synonyms for the author's language without keeping to the same general structure and meaning of the original. That's what we call mosaic program. The fourth one we have the accidental plagiarism, when a person neglects to cite their sources or misquote their sources or unintentionally paraphrases a source by using similar words, groups of words, or the group of words like hen or sentence and or sentence structure without attribution. That one is called accident. So you know what we call the accident is ever like that one. So my dear viewers, let's go to the next slide. We see how it will be running for us, how we can handle or how we can avoid this kind of suffering because it's so disgusting. So let's go through this simplified work how I've try to hint on where we can go about to avoid this problem, because this plagiarism, avoiding plagiarism involves ensuring that all ideas, works, words that are not your own are properly credited to the original authors. Here are key steps to help you avoid plagiarism, my dear viewers. The first one is you have to know, understand what constitutes plagiarism. What is that? code plagiarism. You have to know it. Use proper citation. You paraphrase correctly. Manage sources carefully. Use plagiarism detection tools. Use common knowledge. Understand academic integrity policies. Those are the few of the steps that are brought in, my dear viewer, so that you know how you can avoid this thing which is now commonly being practiced called plagiarism, because it may launch you into various problems. So I'm very glad to introduce this subject or topic to you called plagiarism, because it's part of what we are learning in information literacy. So in conclusion, therefore, this plagiarism is uninformed ways of handling information sources that can result into academic penalties, where you can be like expelled from the universities or from various learning institutions because of mishandling of sources, or it can also involve reputational damages, legal implications that include even imprisonment and others. But it can also be avoided, as discussed earlier, my lovely viewers. I beg for your subscription. Don't forget to tap on the like button and share it with your lovely friend. Stay tuned, as I will be dropping more episodes very soon unto you. Thank you.